Welcome to the tutorial on how to shoot in RAW format on your Nikon D7200. Shooting in RAW format preserves all the data captured by your camera sensor, ensuring maximum flexibility during post-processing. There are 3 ways to capture in RAW format. Check them all out and pick the one that works best for you. Method 1. Using the menu. Press the menu button. Navigate to the shooting menu, the camera icon. Scroll down to image quality and press OK. Select NEF, RAW from the options. Press the menu button twice to exit. Method 2. From the I button. While in live view mode, press the I button. Use the multi-selector to find the image quality option. Press OK button. Select NEF, RAW format, and press OK to confirm. Press the I button again to exit. Method 3. From the information display. While in viewfinder mode, press the info button. Press and hold the plus button to edit the image quality option. Rotate the command dial until you see RAW, NEF, from the available options. Exit the information display by pressing the info button again. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. You can discover more tips and tricks for this camera in the playlist linked in the description below.